In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Math-L1-1-0.Dll is missing from your computer error in just 5 minutes. This issue often arises when you're trying to run certain applications, and it can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, we'll have you up and running again. First, head over to the official Microsoft website. This is the safest and most reliable place to download the necessary files you need to resolve this error. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look for the Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio. These packages cover versions from 2015 up to 2022, ensuring compatibility with a wide array of applications and system configurations. Next, you need to download the redistributable package that matches your version of Windows. At this point, it's crucial to know whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, as selecting the wrong version can lead to further issues. If you're unsure, you can easily check this by right-clicking on your This PC or My Computer icon, selecting Properties, and looking under the System Type section. Now, on the download page, you'll see two files available, vcredist.exe for 64-bit systems and vcredist.x6.exe for 32-bit systems. Go ahead and download the file that corresponds to your system type. This file is the one that contains all the necessary libraries, including the DLL file that is currently missing. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you have saved the file, and run the installer. The setup wizard will open and you'll need to accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. This package is a trusted Microsoft product, so it's safe to accept the terms. After you've done this, click the Install button and wait for the installer to do its job. The installation process usually only takes a few minutes, but it's a good idea to be patient and let it complete without interruption. Once the installation is finished, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. This step is important because it allows your operating system to fully integrate the new files, ensuring that everything runs smoothly going forward. And that's it. Give your system a good reboot, and when you log back in, the error message should be gone, and you should be able to run your application without any issues. If you find the problem persists, double-check to make sure you've downloaded the correct file and try running the installer again. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and you're back on track with your tasks. Thanks for watching.